welcome to my first video of Dad's Creations. Today I'm going to be showing you how to remove an alarm unit out of a quad. This will be useful to people that have lost a blipper to their alarm unit on the quad bike. As you can see, I've already taken off, but I am going to be showing you the wires exactly I have taken off. As you can see, we have red, green, orange, pink and black. And the wires I've cut off is the red and heat shrunken, the green, the
pink.
Is that pink?
Yeah.
It looks like orange.
No, it's a pink.
Oh yeah, it is pink, yeah.
And the black and the white.
The black and the white, yes.
Which are these two here.
Yep.
That one. And the black and white.
Yep.
Once you've cut all them off, you remove it all, which is that part. You join the black and the white to the pink, which is actually heat shrunk onto all the black and the white ones. You just join those two together, and once you've actually cut all these wires out, the alarm unit can't put a earth down any of the stops. So basically, once that's turned into that, the battery, you connect the battery up, which is, we'll just clip these on for the minute. Well, I'll just clip these on shortly. Right, I'll just hold that on there. Right, let's see if it actually...
So you connect it up to the white and the black to the pink.
Yeah, white and the black and the pink. I'll just get the key quickly. So you put the key in, just make sure it is actually the right key, which this one is a bit tight. This one's not the right key, I'm going to have to go and get that one. Right, so now we've found the key. Right, let's switch it on and we'll see whether we've got power. Right, that's in neutral. That's out of neutral. Right. So, with both brakes pulled back and locked, that should. So basically that's the wiring loom sorted. All I've got to do now is solder the wires up, or should I say just the two wires there, put heat shrink on the other ones and tape it all up, and she's ready to go.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, we'll be back for more. Thank you.